Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change TikTok username. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your TikTok. After that, what you want to do is click on profile button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. And click on edit profile. After that, go to your username and just change your username according to your needs. For example, I'll just add another saving and click save. And that's how you can change your TikTok username. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.